Yeah, now I'm going to show you a 3 BHK villa, villa number 251 of Prestige Lakeside Habitat Project. This is the villa number plate over here, 251. In the beginning, you get this kind of garden area. This is the elevation of the villa, how it looks like. You get this 2 car parking spaces here. You get a sunroof over here. This gives you a coverage on top. I will go inside the villa. On the side also you have this kind of garden. This is the main door, which is having 8 feet of height. Now I'm entering into the villa like this. So this is the foyer area which you get in the beginning. There is a window also over here which gives you good amount of lighting. So this is the foyer, and then you come into the living room like this. You can see the length of the living room from this corner like this. You get 3 windows like this. You can see the living and dining from this corner as well. This is the staircase. Below the staircase also you get this kind of space for storage. Here you have a common washroom. Even in the common washroom you get this kind of fittings. All of them are of Kohler. It comes with the glass partition, anti-skid floor tiles, vanity counter with a mirror, and the ceiling height also you can see how tall it is. This is the first bedroom which is there on the ground floor. It comes with the laminated wooden flooring. You get 2 windows over here like this. You can see from this corner also. AC point is given on top. Core cutting is already done for the split AC installation. Now I'll take you to the kitchen. See, in the kitchen we are providing you L-shaped granite platform like this. You can see the quality. These are the tiles which are placed on top of the platform. All the electrical points are thoughtfully placed, and you have ample amount of points. This is the window which is provided in the kitchen. You get one core cutting over there for keeping your chimney pipe on top of it. This is the view of the living room from the kitchen. And this is the another counter which is provided on this side. You can install your microwave or oven at this corner with all the electrical points provided. This is the utility area. Here also you get a lot of lighting, ventilation because of 2 windows. And this is the point for your washing machine, and electrical provision is also there. You get one MCB box at this corner. You open the door and then you lead to the backyard from here. I'll just show you the backyard quickly. So this is the side backyard, and from here also you can see this is the additional garden area, which is of almost 460 square feet, which you are getting under this villa. All this fencing is done, which is serves as a separation of purpose of partition. Like this. Even this door also comes to your backyard, which is given in the dining area. Now we'll go back inside quickly. Now I'm taking you to the upper floor. Before going to the upper floor, you can just see how the staircase are there, what kind of specifications we have used in the staircase. You can see the iron railing with the wooden handle over here like this. You can see the Italian marble flooring. Staircase also has a window over here which gives you ample amount of lighting in the staircase. Now this is your private lounge area. You can utilize this area in whatever manner you want. You get one huge window over here, and the window opens towards the back side. This is the huge balcony. This is what is called as a proper sit out area, and this is the back side of the villas, the neighboring villas. Some people have already occupied the villas. Some people are doing their interior work right now. See, this is the villa which is diagonally opposite to this villa. Behind this, people have already occupied. And those are the other villas on the right hand side, like this. You can see the kind of railings what they provided on the balconies. And this is your courtyard area. I'll go inside. So this is the second bedroom here. Small foyer, a washroom with the same kind of fittings of collar, glass partition, mirror, a vanity counter like this, and the wooden flooring. Two windows are provided in this bedroom also, the same laminated wooden flooring. Here the best part is the ceiling height. Just notice the ceiling height. You would not get this kind of ceiling height anywhere. And why you are getting in this villa? Because the elevation is designed in that way. The huge hut shaped elevation gives you this kind of ceiling height. Now we are going into the last and the main master bedroom. So this is the length and width of the master bedroom. Now this is the area where you will keep your bed and all. And if you stand in the center of the bedroom, that corner you can utilize it for making it as a walk-in closet area. Because this is a complete L-shaped area, you can easily utilize it for that. And next to that you get a washroom as well. So since this is a master bedroom washroom, so definitely it has to be certain different. See, it comes with this kind of vanity counter. All the fittings are of Kohler. All CP fittings are of Kohler. Comes with a mirror, a WC in the center, and you get a bathtub as well. Here also the ceiling height is completely unrealistic. Because of the elevation, it is too high. You get points for geyser on top of this. Now, when you go to the other side of the master bedroom, you get one window here and one small window over here. All these windows comes with the wire mesh. You get